Hey everybody, Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Luminance HDR. Now, if you don't know what Luminance HDR is, it's an HDR photo editing tool. So to get it installed, you need to open up a terminal. Now, as usual, I have gone over how to install this app on virtually every method available. However, in this video, we will be covering the Flatpak installation, as Flatpak is nearly universal and everyone has access to it. To get it installed, you can do search or Flatpak, search Luminance HDR like so, and it should show up right here at the bottom. Copy the app ID, do sudo Flatpak install like so. Enter your password. It's going to search for everything you need to run the app, and it's going to install everything. It should take a couple of seconds. Alright, so once everything is installed, you can look for Luminance right in your app menu, and you can launch it. It's going to tell you if you want to make a donation. As this is a tutorial video, I will tell them to ask me later. So this is what you get. You can open up and click a new HDR image, and you can select an image and start messing with the exposure and stuff. We're not going to go over how to create HDR videos in this tutorial. We're not going to be mess it up there. We're not making videos at all, but we're not going to be going over how to make HDR photos in this video. Instead, we're going to end it here, but this is how you get the app working. So if you want to make HDR photographs in your Linux system, this is how to get the app working. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to install Luminance HDR, and I will see you in the next video.